Hello everyone. Want to order Domino's pizza without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll show you how to get the best deals and discounts while ordering your favorite pizza. So if you have access to Sam's Club, check out their awesome deal, which is here right here. $100 worth of Domino's gift cards for just 75. This deal might be available in some locations, so check your local Sam's Club stores. Also, Costco also has a similar 25% gift card discount on Domino's gift cards, which you can combine with other coupons. For example, using a coupon for 5.99 product for a two-topping pizza means you can get a large pizza for just around $2.24 after applying the discount. Also, here's another pro tip. You can order one large pizza instead of two small ones. A large pizza costs less per square inch, and you get more pizza for your money. And if you are, for example, craving garlic bread, you can just add garlic butter as a topping for a delicious garlic bread pizza, or just get extra dips. Alright, and for just an extra 1.99, you can get a large dip and make your pizza experience better. Did you know you can use the create your own pizza option to customize your toppings and save money? For example, ordering a margarita pizza from the main menu cost like $21.99, but choosing a large create your own with classic crust, tomato sauce, and mozzarella will cost you €1 less. Also, you can avail student discount and staff discount. You can grab a 50% off discount at Domino's. Just make sure you are not stacking it with another promo. And if you know someone who works at Domino's, you might even be able to use their staff discount. And finally, don't miss the two for Tuesday and cashback. You can get two pizzas for the price of one. And if you're ordering online, be sure to use cashback sites like Top Cashback or Quidco to save a little more on your pizza order. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like this.